I'm Fred Oldfield, and this is a 2-minute quick draw. I'm getting ready to do a waterfall. I'm going to do it in 2 minutes, so I'm getting ready to start. Let the clock begin. First I take cobalt blue. Now I'm putting that purple stuff on, blocking it in. I'm going to get a little deeper with that. Now I'm going to start using the blues. I should have some kind of a little highlight on that, which I'll do. Now I'm coming in with the waterfalls. And when you do that with a palette knife, just follow the source. And it only takes a few strokes to do this. And just get it to plowing over the rocks and just kind of tap it in up here. Then you hit it with real stark white. And some of it will be that way. And then when it hits down here, you go for some deep stuff like this. Now, a little bit more white here. And I want to put a little highlight on the rocks. A little bit of green on top. And yeah, the next one I'm going to do a horse for you in 2 minutes too.